guys, Gw2 here today with Gw13. We are doing a Garden Warfare 2 pack opening.
No, we are not opening the 150k packs. We're opening maybe...
I'm opening the Phenomenal Character Pack and then whatever I have left I'll just...
Doesn't it give you just a character?
Yeah, it gives you one character.
Okay, I'm probably going to do that same thing, so...
Yeah. Okay, Phenomenal Character Pack. Ooh, I got a citrus, guys!
Here I get... Oh, I got a captain!
You got the fire pirate. Oh, I have the fire pirate. And then I have 10 left. So then I'm gonna
I have 9 left, so... You go to this side. 50k, can't do that.
I'm gonna do the 7. Oh. What?
Is it opening the same pack? No. Ooh.
Cool.
We have a golden all-star statue.
Got that stuff. Oh man, it is taking. You don't have enough. You don't have enough. Okay, I got characters. A self-revive. Gw2.
So most likely, with the characters that we got, we're gonna actually go into some battle with them.
Yeah, we'll just go into the middle and see who fares best.
Okay. I think yours might be.
With the new characters, alright.
I think yours is gonna be better. Is this guy good?
Oh, it's fire versus ice. Boy, just realized.
Pokemon?
It's fire versus ice.
I think I should.
I'm the ice citrus.
And I'm the
fire pirate.
Let's go. Do you want to meet anywhere? Or?
In the middle. Oh, you got a parrot. Oh.
Now, how do I get out of this?
Why? But.
Why do you have? You're gonna kill me.
Yes,
So unfair. So unfair.
No. No, I am not. Ah! Oh man.
This cannon though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part about him.
Yeah. He's pretty bad otherwise.
I should have shot you. What am I doing? No, I'm being attacked by one of your guys. Being attacked by one of your guys.
Gang up. I ganged up on you. I'm not ganging up on you.
I need one of the bosses. Dude, you wanna come to our base?
Sure. Oh my god, this guy's actually really good.
Where are our big guys? I don't know.
Oh, this guy's wearing a Christmas ornament. Oh my god, this guy's wearing a Christmas ornament. I'm just gonna quick run to your base. Oh, your guy's wearing a Christmas tree. Oh, 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 oh. Oh!
Come here.
Sounded the alarms.
Mentality.
Oh.
Can you take damage in the ball?
Yeah.
Not much though, can you?
Oh, man.
Let's get a shotgun.
Oh, right shield out. Oh, 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 oh! Nope.
Yes.
Well, please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. And I think we're going to end it here. So, good.
Bye. Being attacked by this random thing.